Welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Global Facts English. Today in this video we will tell you about the amazing, interesting and unknown facts of France City. The city of France is also popularly known as the City of Glasses. France is a very beautiful city with beautiful girls residing in the city. From this city many girls entertain and rule the heart of the million of peoples all over the world. Just for a walk, France is also known as a fashion city. France is the world's most visited European city in the world. It was declared to be the world's most visited European city when 8,030,000 tourists visit in this city in the year 2019. Tourists comes here to visit many world-famous tourist destinations in this city. France City has the highest number of tourist visitors across the world. Lakhs of tourists visit France City every year, and due to this its GDP gets boost from almost all sector of industries, and it has risen up to 10% in recent times. Every one of us know that France is a small city. But once there was a time when the French Empire ruled over 8% part of the world. You might don't know that today's plaster of Paris was discovered many centuries ago. In the days of the Roman Empire, the foundation of the plaster was made in the 5th century AD. In the modern era, the city of Paris is named after the discovery of plaster of Paris. France is the second most expensive city which emerged and gained popularity due to its modern living lifestyle after Singapore in the world. France City's area has been spread over 105 square kilometers. This city holds the largest share of European economy, and it is the most populous city in Europe. It is believed that other European countries' birth rate is very low as compared to France. There is also the unknown fact about the France that any person residing there can marry a dead man or woman. Anyone can do this in a legal way, and it is not considered as a crime. Here people marry dead person or their life partner to acquire their property after his or her death. They file legal notice to the government to transfer the dead person's property on their name. You may not know that the France City was declared as the best country of the 19th century in the world. In France there is full freedom to install a condom vending machine on the streets, roads, or also in the areas nearby. If someone goes to eat in the hotel and say hello or please to the waiter, the restaurants do not charge bills to that person. It is the awesome way to eat delicious food meals for free if you don't have money to pay. The license number plate of the vehicles was first introduced by France to the world. 15 years before, in France, the government of France absolutely banned the wearing of trousers for the girls. It almost took 2 centuries to remove the ban due to the oppositions of various national parties against the France government. Scientific French language of France is the national language, but you might know that this language is also being used in almost most parts of African countries. In the year 2016, it was claimed that France is the first country in the world who has built cars which runs on green energy made of solar plates. Then these were the most unique facts about the France City. Did you like this information? Please tell us by commenting and share this information with your friends and relatives. If you want to see such interesting videos, then subscribe to our channel Global Facts English and press the bell icon so that you will be sent a notification as soon as our next video is uploaded. But you see, first of all, thanks for our viewer.